In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a webinar in WebEx. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WebEx. You will see a list of search results. It is important to ensure you are on the official WebEx site to avoid any potential security risks. Look for a link that clearly indicates it is the WebEx homepage. This action sets the foundation for everything that follows, so take a moment to verify the link before you click. Once you find the correct link, click on it to navigate to the WebEx homepage. This is a critical step as it directs you to the platform where you will create your webinar. A clean and user-friendly interface will welcome you, showcasing various features and options. By accessing the right page now, you ensure that your upcoming tasks are straightforward and efficient. Next, if prompted, log into your account. You will see fields asking for your username and password. Enter your credentials carefully. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to all the tools you need for scheduling and managing your webinar securely. Now click on the Meetings tab and select Schedule a Meeting. The Meetings tab is usually located prominently on the homepage. When you select Schedule a Meeting, you will be guided to a new page with options to fill out the details of your upcoming webinar. This step is crucial because it allows you to set the parameters for your event right from the start. After that, enter your public webinar topic, date, and starting time. Be sure to choose a title that reflects the content of your webinar. This helps attract the right audience. Selecting an appropriate date and time ensures maximum participation. Once you fill in these details, you'll have a clearer vision of your event, making it easier to manage time and resources. Next, expand the Advanced Options drop-down menu located at the bottom of the page. This menu reveals additional settings that can enhance your webinar experience. Understanding these options is key as they allow you to customize your webinar for better engagement and control. Taking a moment to explore these settings now will save you from potential issues later. Click on Advanced Options to access more settings. This will lead you to various configurations that can shape the way your webinar operates. Paying attention to these details is crucial as they can significantly impact how your audience interacts with the content and each other. Then click Edit Meeting Options and turn off chat, then click OK. Disabling chat can help maintain focus during the webinar. It prevents distractions and ensures that participants are engaged with the presentation. After making this adjustment, you will receive a confirmation confirming that your settings are now updated. Next, click Edit Attendee Privileges and turn off the View Participants list, then click OK. This step is vital as it keeps the focus on the presenters. By limiting what attendees can see, you create a more controlled environment conducive to learning. Once you make this change, you'll see a confirmation reassuring you that your privacy settings are secure. Finally, click Schedule. After scheduling the meeting, copy the generated meeting link and distribute it manually to your target audience via email, calendar invites, or social media pages. This final step is essential because it ensures your audience can easily access the webinar. Once shared, you can be confident that your attendees are informed and ready to join your event. By following these steps, you have successfully created a webinar in WebEx. Each action taken was designed to enhance the overall experience for both you and your participants. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your webinar.